If you want to turn on your location for Instagram's map feature, this quick guide will show you exactly how to set it up. First, launch your settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Head over to the option Location Services. Now, find the app Instagram and launch it and enable location for it. Once you have given the location access to the Instagram, launch your Instagram app, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right. Now scroll down and head over to the option Story and Location. Click on the option Location Sharing, click on Next. Here you can decide who can see your location, your friends, close friends, or only specific people you manually choose. Selecting no one will hide your location completely. If you choose close friends, you can tap to review and edit the list, adding or removing people as needed before tapping share, so they can see where you are. And that's it. This is how you can easily enable location for Instagram's map feature. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.